Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to change language in Google Assistant and mobile phone. Please watch the full video and also give a like. Let's get started. First of all, tap and hold the button in the bottom. Now tap on three lines in the bottom right corner. Now you should tap on your profile icon on the upper right corner. Once you tap on this, then scroll down a little bit here. And here you will see languages option, so simply tap on this, and here English United States is already selected, and you can also add other languages. So now I want to change it, so simply tap on English, and here you will see a list of many languages. So if your language is available, so tap on your language list. Suppose I am tapping on English Nigeria, so our language has changed. Let's suppose I am changing it to Urdu. Now the language has changed. Hope you will like this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.